Guess what, folks? Samsung just unleashed its latest Galaxy Tab A9 series, and it's a game changer. Brace yourselves for the Galaxy Tab A9 and the powerhouse Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, boasting screens so massive they'll make your jaw drop minus 8.7 inches and a hopping 11 inches, respectively. Whether you're binging your favorite shows or conquering the gaming realm, these tablets promise an experience like no other. Let's dive into the Galaxy Tab A9 first. It rocks a vibrant LCD display with a resolution of 1340 x 800 pixels, ensuring your content looks nothing short of spectacular. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, it's a beast with an 8-megapixel primary camera, 2-megapixel front-facing camera, and Dolby Atmos stereo speakers for orgasmic audio. And the cherry on top? A 5100 mAh battery supporting 15W fast charging. It's a tech marvel running on Android 13 via Samsung's One UI 5.1, delivering seamless connectivity through Wi-Fi 5 LTE and Bluetooth 5.3. Now let's level up with the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, available in 5G and Wi-Fi variants. Sporting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset and a dazzling LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, this beauty guarantees a visual feast at 1920 x 1200 pixels. Capture moments with an 8-megapixel primary camera and 5-megapixel selfie cam. The Plus version boasts a massive 7040 mAh battery, ensuring your productivity or entertainment lasts longer than ever. Both a 9 and a 9 Plus models pack a punch with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, available in graphite, silver, and navy. Now here's the thrilling part. Prices start at just Rm899 for the Galaxy Tab A9 LTE, Rm1099 for the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Wi-Fi, and Rm1649 for the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. But wait, there's more. Samsung's throwing a mind-blowing deal, up to 30% off on Samsung Care Plus and selected accessories, plus a complimentary 3-month View Premium subscription worth Rm29.90. It's a tech fiesta you won't want to miss. Get ready to elevate your tablet game with Samsung's Galaxy Tab A9 series. Peace out.